review of the 2025 Genesis G90, where luxury and innovation meet. Starting with its design, the G90 boasts an elegant and commanding presence. From the signature crest grille to the sleek LED headlights, every detail is crafted for sophistication. The coupe-like roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, with quad tail lights and dual exhaust tips adding a sporty touch. Available in several premium colors, the G90 turns heads effortlessly. Under the hood, the G90 offers impressive performance options. Choose between a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 or an electrified powertrain for smooth acceleration and dynamic handling. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and optional all-wheel drive, it delivers a composed yet thrilling driving experience. The adaptive suspension ensures comfort and control, no matter the road conditions. Inside, the G90 redefines opulence. High-quality materials like Nappa leather, open-pore wood, and suede accents surround you. Ambient lighting and a panoramic sunroof elevate the atmosphere, while the spacious cabin comfortably seats 5. The 12.3-inch touchscreen, paired with a digital instrument cluster, integrates seamlessly with the premium audio system and advanced connectivity features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Rear seat passengers enjoy reclining seats, massage functions, and dual entertainment screens. Safety is a priority in the G90, packed with cutting-edge technology. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera enhance driver confidence. Advanced systems like highway driving assist and collision avoidance ensure peace of mind on every journey. The Genesis G90 starts at an estimated $88,000 for the base model, with fully loaded trims exceeding $100,000. With its unmatched blend of luxury, performance, and technology, it competes fiercely in the premium sedan market. Thank you for joining us on this review of the 2025 Genesis G90. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more automotive content. See you in the next video.